Success is the result of perfection, hard work, learning from failure, loyalty, and persistence. Quote by Colin Powell.
Nowadays, like entrepreneurship is like a boom. Like Bangalore and all is like. I would say कि just you wanted to become entrepreneur, just don't select any product. Don't take an idea from others. Like this is the where you work. मुझे लगता है कि आपको क्या पसंद है, व्हाट इज़ योर पैशन, वो ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट करता है. क्योंकि आप किसी और का आइडिया लेके इम्प्लीमेंट करने की कोशिश करोगे और कुछ सालों के बाद बोर हो जाओगे उसमें, क्योंकि एज अ बिजनेसमैन आप में बहुत पेशेंस होना चाहिए.
I would say that you need to believe in yourself. Whatever you take up as your profession, believe in yourself and work with total integrity. If you are honest in your dealings, you will always succeed. There is no looking back. Be confident and work with total integrity, and that will give you the success that you deserve.
In the practical world, the mantra, if you want to understand from me, in the practical world, you must have your own willpower, that you can say confidence also. And if you talking about the spirituality, yes, the God grace should be happen, and the God, you should believe in the God. Otherwise, how you will get the more confidence, how you will get the ways? Because I believe in God, and that is the second thing I will ask people, and to do believe in God. And third thing is that your hard work or smart work, you have to use it. Fourth thing is that the network, the support. Without support, without network, your work will not expand. You can work alone, that's not a problem. Doctor works alone, so fashion designer work alone. But if you have the support, you can work for many people.
Well, I think the mantra for any successful business is putting your heart into what you're doing. Sort of getting up in the morning and having that fire in your stomach to get to work and to do what you do with all your heart. I think that is one of the key to success to any business. And what comes along is a bit of planning, knowing your market, knowing your clientele, the segment of clientele that you're targeting.
लेडीज़ के लिए तो मैं इतना बोलूँगी कि हर लेडीज़ ने काम करना चाहिए, अपने पैरों पे खड़े होना चाहिए, उनकी एक कोई अपनी पहचान होनी चाहिए. ये मैं सभी को बोलूँगी. अगर कोई नहीं भी करता है तो भी उसने करना चाहिए, कुछ ना कुछ करना चाहिए. किसी को अगर पैसों की ज़रूरत ना भी हो तो लेडीज़ ने कुछ ना कुछ करना चाहिए.
First, you have to be honest.
Okay.
You have to be honest with your client, with your friend, with your partners. Then to start anything, like first research. It's very important. Do your homework. Just don't go and start anything.
I think any student out of business school should have the answers. But what is important is you doing what you think is something that you were meant to do, right? So then you are getting paid for something that you are sort of wholeheartedly invested. Dedication and commitment and all of that will automatically follow, which is required, of course, for any business to be successfully run. The other thing I would like to bring up for budding entrepreneurs is think about your investments, think about the capital cost, think about the running cost, think about costs that you may incur. These are all things that have to be sort of planned for. You cannot start up something with insufficient resources. So that is something that most entrepreneurs should keep in mind. Have a clear roadmap of where is the business heading.
प्लानिंग कर लो.
Okay.
एटलीस्ट बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं, बट थोड़ा प्लानिंग करो. एटलीस्ट आपका बिजनेस सब कुछ किसी कारण से रन नहीं कर रहा है, कैश फ्लो. बिकॉज इन एनी बिजनेस यू नीड मनी.
Sir, yeah.
नो मनी मनी, पैसा तो चाहिए, ठीक है, टू रन द बिजनेस नीड मनी. तो यू शुड नो कि एटलीस्ट कैश फ्लो इतना टाइम तक हमें पैसे नहीं मिलेंगे तो भी बिजनेस चलना चाहिए, ठीक है. देन हायरिंग द राइट टीम, very important. Without getting a right team, business cannot be run. Because alone you cannot handle that thing.
No, it's not possible.
Right. Team is very important.
Right.
And getting the right team is a big challenge.
प्रॉब्लम्स हर किसी के लाइफ में होते हैं. प्रॉब्लम्स लेके आप बैठिए मत, उन प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने की कोशिश कीजिए और उससे बाहर निकलकर कुछ तो अलग करने की कोशिश कीजिए. हम लेडीज़ बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं, सिर्फ अपने मन से आवाज़ आनी चाहिए और वो आवाज़ हमने सुननी चाहिए. हम बहुत करेंगे. और लेडीज़ ने हाउसवाइफ बन के रहना नहीं चाहिए. हर लेडीज़ कुछ ना कुछ कर सकती है.
And especially to the women, I would like to say that, we are the chosen ones. God has chosen us. He believes that only a woman can give birth to a child, right? That is how it is. So as a woman, if we can give birth to a child and if we can nurture them in becoming strong, independent individual, why we cannot start a business and nurture it and bring it to a successful level? So you just have to believe in yourself, whether it is a small business or a big business. You have to work with total dedication, passion, and you will always succeed.
You have to evaluate your idea in certain way that you should know that कि this is going to work. If ये काम नहीं किया, then what?
Okay.
ये
So your plan
B should be always
should
there.
be always
Otherwise, like there is no escape. Okay.
Right.
And once you start a business, you cannot go back quickly. टाइम तो देना पड़ेगा. यहाँ क्या हो रहा है, लाइक आज के डेट में पीपल स्टार्ट द बिजनेस, दे फील कि जस्ट आफ्टर 2-3 months वी शुड गेट रेवेन्यू.
Right.
ऐसा नहीं होता है, इट टेक्स टाइम.
एंड डोंट स्टार्ट योर स्टार्टर फॉर मनी मेकिंग. तो अगर आप मनी मेकिंग के लिए कर रहे हो तो शायद वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा. बट हाँ, अगर आप पैशन के लिए कर रहे हो तो फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है कि आपको कितने पैसे मिलते हैं. यू आर एन्जॉइंग इट, ये ज़्यादा मैटर करता है.
Your success should not be your fear should not be that failure. Your always objective should be you have to try to succeed. Once you have that determination in you, automatically the fear of failure will not put you down. Otherwise what happens, a person thinks of failure, he doesn't do anything. So that concept is always hit in my mind, and I have been very totally motivated because of these things in life, which is always kept me as a go-getter wherever I've been. So I always have that smile in my face, always let it be doing my workout or talking to someone or got anything. That pressure I don't like to keep on my face. I like to be relaxed, be focused, and that's my mantra today in life to progress. That's all.
My message to all the women entrepreneurs is observe your talent, your capacity, and focus on it. You're bound to get success. You will be defined not by your success, but how you survive. So stay rooted, be unique, be patient. Thank you so much.